21 5.2 into this is the meter per second. Then terminal velocity we get 5.2. Terminal velocity 5.2. Again we will take second reading in this way. So same procedure, metal sphere to time we have to determine or calculate by using the watch. Then velocity in this way, then terminal velocity. So this is 5.2. We will take reading, then into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So 5.2 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter per second. So this is the velocity, terminal velocity of the metallic sphere. And this metallic sphere we have to use and calculate the coefficient of viscosity. In this way, eta equal to 2 into R. R is 0.291. 0.291 into 10 to the power minus 2. Then sigma we get, our value is density of the sphere. M, suppose we have to consider this is the 1 gram and V is 1.2. So we will take 1.429 minus 1.26 kg per meter cube upon 2 into V 9.8, 2 into V, that is 5 into 2, 10 to the power minus 2. So we get our reading. So in this way we will take calculate this whole reading, that is our Newton second per meter square. So student, we will take calculate this 2 into 2, 0.291 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 1.429 into 1.26 into 10 to the power minus 3 is here into, I can write here directly 10 to the power minus 3. This add in here into 9.8 upon 2V into 9V, keeping your mind 9 into V, value of V is his, and we will take calculation. So student, this is, we will take calculate 2 into 0.291 into 9.81 in divided by 9 divided by 5.2 into 0.116 into 0.163 0.198 after that. So reading 0.0198 into, we will take this into 10 to the power minus 3. So again we can write 1.98 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton yes per meter square. So this is the value of eta. So student, this is the coefficient of viscosity we have to calculate with the help of Stokes method, and this is the Stokes method or Stokes apparatus, keeping your mind. So student, in this way we have to complete this experiment number 3, coefficient of viscosity by Stokes method.